Hippie.
Get the dog.
Let's go.
Hippie.
Oh, it's so pretty out. Come on. Oh,
What the heck?
look at
I don't know. I have no idea what she's barking at.
there's nothing there.
What is it?
What is it, Pip?
What is it?
What is it, Pip?
It's a bad omen.
Dude, I'm putting her back in the inside.
Yeah. It's not my I don't know what to say. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Jeff.
This is so big. Oh, it's okay. I'm zooming out.
I'm Debbie.
And I'm Michael.
And I'm Jen. What are we doing, Jeff?
We're going to Disney. We're gonna debunk a myth.
What myth?
It's gonna be awesome. Disney's
myth?
face is in Haunted Mansion.
Are you scared, Debbie? Are you scared?
Yes.
Oh, I'm assuming it's not going to be that bad at all.
Hey, you never know. So, Splash Mountain's closed right now?
Everything outside is.
Do you guys hear that?
You think we'll make it?